My client wants a simple, seamless edit, but I don't usually do simple edits. Here's the result.
Ever felt like just not cut out to be a successful designer? Think again. In this video, we'll reveal the mindsets and habits that differentiate those who rise to the top from those who get left behind. It's time to change your game. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Anik and I'm a creative entrepreneur focusing on UX, UI, and product design. On this channel, we delve deep into design, creativity, and the nuances that make or break a successful designer in today's competitive landscape. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the mindset and habits needed to make it in the design world or as any creative professional. We'll dive into subjects like willpower, accountability, and discipline. If that inner voice of failure haunts you, then this video is for you. First off, the common pitfalls that hold designers back. Lack of willpower. The trap. Many designers start off with a lot of enthusiasm, only to lose steam when things get tough. They rely solely on motivation,